Okay, do you see the screen? Do you see the notepad on the screen? Please respond me. Okay. Now, okay. Um, See here. What is the name of this website? Please respond me. Please type. Please type the name of the website. Every one of you. Okay, freshersworld.com. Good. Every one of you. I'll wait for your inputs. Freshers World, good. Aziz says, Sirisha says, Freshers World, good. Ritvik, freshersworld.com. Okay. Durga Devi, freshersworld.com. Dhruti, freshersworld.com. Okay, good. Now, how many of you know this? Okay. Now, after this, you need to click on placement papers. You need to click on placement papers. Okay. Just I want to show you the various papers of various companies. Okay, here you can find what is the name of this company. You can see here placement papers. Okay, click on placement papers. Click on placement papers. Here you can find all the different company papers. All the different company papers. Okay, please type every one of you a company, whichever you like. You select one of your company and you type in the chat box. Every one of you. I'll wait for your inputs. Okay. IT companies. Everybody select a company and type in the chat box. Okay. Polaris. Ritvik says Polaris. Good. Okay. Where is the Polaris? You select the Polaris and you can go for you can select that. Say for example, I'll select CMS. Okay, here you can see all the different questions, placement papers. Okay, similarly, interview questions. Interview questions. This is the ad we are getting. You see there, we'll be having the different placement papers of these companies. Okay, here I have selected Accenture. Here I have selected Accenture. Okay, interview questions, candidate experience, placement papers. Click on placement papers. Okay, you can select any of the paper and you can practice. Okay, it is for everyone. It is for everyone. Okay, now when it comes to our subject, I was telling you about pattern matching with regular expressions. Okay. See here, if you want to find out the phone number, if you want to find out the phone number, okay, say the phone number is of this format. Okay. This part is region, the other part is phone number, the main phone number. Okay, this is entire thing is main phone number. How to find out that without using regular expressions? Without using regular expressions, I'm defining a function. I'm defining a function is phone number. Okay, I told you already this one is phone number. Similarly, it receives a parameter text. Okay, now you see here, if it is not equal to 12, if it is more than 12, that means it's not a phone number. Similarly, the first three digits, they must be decimals, else it is not a phone number. Similarly, the text of 3 or the fourth number must be hyphen, else it's not a phone number. Similarly, from 4 to 7, all must be digits, else it's not a phone number. Okay. Similarly, the text of 7 must be an hyphen, else it's not a phone number. Okay. Similarly, from the numbers from 8 to 12 must be digits, else it's not a phone number. Okay. Now this is the function call. This is the function call, and we are passing a phone number. We are passing a phone number. Okay. It will give you as true. It's a phone number. Similarly, I'm passing Moshi Moshi. It's not a phone number. It's false. Now, similarly, you see here, there is a big message. There is a big message. Here we are having two phone numbers. Okay. If you want to find out, we are slicing this entire message into 12, 1 to 12. Okay. From here to here, 12 numbers. Okay. If it is not a phone number, we will move ahead from here to here, 12 numbers. Okay. So this repeats until the end of the message. Okay. So we are using a for loop. We are finding out the length of the message, and we are doing the chunk. We are calling the part as chunk. 12 digits or 12 characters is considered as one chunk, and we are passing the chunk to the function is phone number. Okay. This you learned. Now the same thing can be done by using regular expressions. The same thing can be used by using regular expressions. Okay, I told you patterns. What is pattern? Okay, now how to create the regular expression? Regular expressions are nothing but short expressions. Okay, regular expressions are nothing but short expressions. Okay. Now, these are the steps. First, we need to import RE. Okay, the module is RE. Next, we need to call compile. We need to call the function compile. Okay. Then we need to pass. We need to pass to the search method. Okay. We need to pass that one to the search method, and the search component will be there in the group method. Okay, the string whichever is matched is found in the group method. Okay, you can see there. Here is the example. So the first step is import RE. Okay, now everybody type the name of the module. Okay, the name of the module and the search method in the chat box. Import RE. Good. Please type me the name of the module, every one of you. You see there, first we need to import the module. See here, the first step is import RE. Okay. The second step is compile. We need to compile the pattern whichever we want to find. Okay, next we need to use the search method. Okay, after that we'll be getting the values whichever is matched in group method. Okay, like this. You see here, we are importing RE module, then we are compiling the pattern. Okay, say /d stands for a digit. D stands for digit. Okay, 3 digits. Okay, hyphen 3 digits, hyphen 4 digits. The first 3 digits is region. Okay, now that will be compiled and stored in the phone number regex, stands for regular expression. Phone number regular expression. Okay, now it will be having a method known as search, and we are passing the text whichever we want to check. Okay, now if it is found means that can be got by using group. Okay, that can be got by using group. Okay, so you got the output like phone number is found. Now you see here, I'll import I'll import RE. Okay. Next, pattern. We need to give the pattern. Say import, say RE dot compile. Say the pattern, whatever we want to give. Say I'll give as farmer. Okay. Now the next step is search method. Pattern dot search. Okay. Now here we need to pass the text. Okay. Say farmer is God. Okay. He deserves some text. He deserves more respect and love. Okay. Now similarly, this one must be given into the matching object. Okay, MO stands for matching object. It's a variable. MO is a matching object. It's a variable. Whatever the pattern is matched will be stored in MO. Okay, now we need to print MO dot group. We can use print. Okay, you see there we got farmer. Similarly, this time I may search for God. Okay, I may search for God. How to do that? Please type in the chat box. How to define the pattern object to find God. Please, every one of you. We must compile the pattern, whichever we want to match. Please type in the chat box. Okay, good. Nitish says pattern is equal to RE dot compile God. Good. Okay. Okay, good. God, Aziz, God must be enclosed within quotes. Okay. You see here. Here it must be God. Here it must be God. Okay. Now I'll type enter. Now I'll search it. Okay. Then I'll print it. Say God is found. Okay. Like this. Already I have typed many programs here. Already I have typed many programs in the PyCharm. Okay, you see here. Okay, say for the for the phone number regular expression. This is a regular expression. Say 3 digits. Okay, this is region code. The next digits are phone number. Okay, we are compiling that. We are storing in phone number regular expression. We can give whatever we want. Okay, now after that, this object will be having some methods known as search method. Okay, after that, we need to pass the text. My number is this number. Okay, after that, that will be stored in matching object. MO stands for matching object. Okay, now matching object will be having a method known as group. Group will give you the pattern whichever it is matched. So I'll run this, shift F10, I'll run this. So you can see here, phone number is found. Phone number is found, the number is 415-555-4242. Okay, say I'll add one more number in it. Okay, my friend's number is say I'll give 617-666. Okay, then 6767. Okay, this is the number. This is the friend's number. So I'll run this time. System is slow. Okay. I click on this thing. So you got 415-55422. Okay, if you want to know all the things, if you want to know all the matched objects, if you want to know all the matched objects, you can use find all. Find all. Okay. You can use a method like find all. Please type, every one of you, find all in the chat box. Every one of you, find all method. The name of the method. This method, the name of this method, every one of you. Please type, I will wait for your inputs. Search will give you single method. Okay. But find all will give you all the strings whichever is matched. Okay, good. Find all. Dhruti says find all. Good. Ritvik, Nitish, good. Varshini, good. Every one of you. Suraksha, good. Good, Vamshi. Okay, good. You see here, find all. Say, I'll run this. Just we can give MO. Okay. Okay, it is giving you the first matched thing. Okay, I'll explain you this. Now the next thing you see here, the next example, I have imported RE. Okay, now it has a method like compile. We are using raw string. We must use raw string here. Okay, prefix R is known as raw string here. Raw string. Whatever the pattern needs to be compiled, that must be prefixed with /r here. Okay. Now teacher. Now we are passing such. Now teacher is next to your parents. Okay. This is the text that will be matched in MO. Okay. Now we are printing that. Now what is the mistake? Please type me. I did not give hash. Okay. Now you see there we got teacher in this message. Okay. I'll comment this. Similarly, I told you this one already. See here, this time we are using farmer. Okay, already I did this. I'm passing a different text. I'm passing a different text. Okay. Farmer is not getting importance like Virat Kohli. Okay. And we are printing that. Say instead of giving this message, okay, I can take this one in a text. I can take this one in a text. Okay. I'll use a text. I'll use quotes. I'll paste here. Okay. Now, what I need to pass here? Please type me in the chat box. Good. Shirisha says text. Good. You see here, we need to pass text. Okay. Is it correct? Is it correct? Is it small t or capital T? Small t. Good. Shirisha says small t. Good. Okay. You see here, it must be small t. Okay. Now I'll compile this and I'll run this. Okay. Say what is the mistake? What is the mistake? Please type me. Can anybody guess what is quotes? Good. Good, Nitish. Very good. Very good, Sirisha. Okay. You see here, text must be given like that only. Okay. I'll use shift 10. We got farmer. See here, we got the farmer. Now I'll comment this. Now we'll move to the next sample. Okay. Now you see here, in this example, I'm writing a small mail ID. Okay. I want to find out a mail ID which is of this format. Okay. W stands for character. Okay. W stands for character. Okay. Three characters. Okay. After that, asterisk. Now, after that, two characters. Okay. It will find out that. And we are getting that one as group. Okay, if you want a pattern as a group means we can use brackets. This is group 1. Okay. Similarly, the second part is group 2. The third part is group 3. Okay. So I'm importing a RE module. I'm compiling. I'm passing a regular expression. Where it has three parts. Okay. The first part is /w/w/w. This is first part. Okay. Which must be placed as a tuple. Okay. Now the second part is asterisk. Now the third part is two characters. Okay. Now we will compile this and we will store in the pattern. Now pattern will be having inbuilt function search. Okay. And I need to pass the text Okay. Now we are printing individual groups. Group 1 is this part. Ram is group 1. Similarly, asterisk is group 2. Now in is group 3. Similarly, there is one more method, groups. Okay. It gives you all the things at a time. Okay. So I'll run this. You see here, the first group is Ram. The second group is asterisk. The third group is in. Okay. Similarly, groups give you all the matched patterns in a single tuple. Okay. Now I'll comment this. To the next program. Okay. You see here how many groups are there in this regular expression? How many groups are there in this regular expression? Please type in the chat box. Anything that is enclosed within brackets, within small brackets is one group. So how many groups are there here? Please type in the chat box. In this regular expression, how many groups are there? I'll wait for your inputs. 2. Nitish says 2. Good. Okay. Vidyashri says 2. Vamshi says 2. Good. Okay, you can see here 2 groups are there. The first group is the first 3 digits. Okay. The first 3 digits. D slash D slash D. Okay, it's like this. Slash D slash D slash D. This is first group. This is first group. Okay. It is region code. It is region code. Okay. Similarly, one more group, which is having 7 digits, slash D slash D slash D. Okay. After that hyphen slash D slash D slash D slash D. Okay. This is phone number. This is phone number. Okay. Now we are compiling. We are compiling that. We are placing in phone number regular expression. Now we are searching. We are searching for this, and we are printing the group one. Okay. The group one here is 415. Okay. You can see here the group one is 415. Similarly, the group two. The group two is phone number. It is 555 and 4242. See the output. You will get the output like this: 555 4242. Now similarly, if you give if you pass zero, okay, that means it will give you the entire matched pattern. Okay, it will give you the entire matched pattern. Similarly, we can also give match groups. Okay, groups. Okay, I'll run this. I'll comment this. I'll comment this. Okay. Now I'll try to execute this. I must use print. I must use print. Everything must be placed in a, it's a tuple. It's a tuple. Okay. In the PyCharm, I must use print. Now I'll run this. Shift F10. You see there, the first group is 415. The second group is the region code. Okay. The third group is the entire phone number. And the last thing is the entire module. Okay. Everybody type groups. Please type me groups. The method groups. I'll wait for your inputs. Karthik. Please type me groups, groups. Just the word groups, every one of you. Okay, good. Shashank, good. Aziz, good. Okay. Now you see here, whenever you are typing function, whenever you are typing a method, you must write like groups. Okay. I'll change the phone number. This time I'll change the phone number. 999. Okay. Now I'll run this. You see there? 999. We got the output as 999. Okay. I'll comment this. I'll comment this. Now you see the next number. You see the next number. You see the next next example. Okay, I'm using groups. Okay, so these groups will give you all the matched patterns. Okay, and that will be assigned to main number and area code. I'm printing area and main number. Okay, you see here, I'll run this. You see here, we are printing only the area code. Okay, and the region code and area are the 4 number, which will be printed in, which will be area code and main number. Okay, I'll comment this. Okay, you see the next example. You see the next example. Say we want to find out the pattern which is having some brackets here, which is having some brackets. Okay, we can give the meaning. We can escape the meaning by using slashes. By using slashes. Okay, this is the example for that, escaping the meanings. Okay, see here. We are compiling, we are using a rastering, and we are escaping the meaning of this bracket. It will be having a specific meaning. Okay, which we want to suppress, It can be suppressed by using bracket with slash. Okay, it can be suppressed. The meaning is suppressed here. The meaning is suppressed. Okay, or else it will treat as a wild character. Okay, now you see here the phone number itself is having some brackets. Okay, that will be printed like this, 415. Okay, I'll try to execute this. I'll click on run. So what is the mistake here? I'm not getting the output. What is the mistake here? Okay, print. Okay, good, Nitish. Say here, this must be written within print. This must be written within print. Okay, you see here, we got the brackets also. If we don't use this, okay, we'll be not getting the brackets. That is known as escaping. Or suppressing the meaning. I'll select this, control slash. Okay. Shall move to the next. Here, I told you about escaping the characters. The next thing is matching multiple groups with pipeline. Okay. What is this symbol? What is this symbol? Pipeline. Please type me, every one of you, please type me the name of this symbol. What is this symbol? Please type me. Any one of you? Pipeline. Good. Good, Vamshi. You see here, we can use multiple patterns. We can match multiple patterns by using pipeline. You see here, in this example, we want to find Batman or Tina Fey. Tina Fey, it's a name. Okay, so that is separated by using pipeline. You see here in this example, Batman and Tina Fey. Okay, I'm passing that one to hero regular expression. Okay, and I'm grouping that one. You are going to get the first group as the first matched object as Batman. Okay, similarly, I'm passing one more time Batman. This time, one more matching object. Okay, we are going to get that one as Tina Fey in the second group. In the second group, we need to do two groups individually. Okay, we can see that. We can see that example. Say the screen. I'll clear the screen. Now I'll import ORE. Okay, I'll import RE. Now RE dot compile. RE dot compile. Okay. Now want to find out Batman. Okay, Batman or Tina Fey. Okay, this is the name. Say I'll close this. Now it must be enclosed by using rastring. It must be enclosed within. It must be specified as rastring. Okay. Now that must be assigned to a pattern. I am giving the name of the pattern is PAT. Okay. Now pattern dot search. Okay. Now I must pass the text. Say my hero is Batman. Okay. Now similarly, many people also like, okay, Tina Fey. Okay, I don't know who is Tina Fey, but now this must be assigned to matching object. I'll take that one as matching object 1. Okay, now we can print mo1 dot group. Group will give you matched pattern. Say we got Batman. Now similarly, one more matching object I must do. One matching object I must do. I'll end it here. Now matching object to dot. Okay, we must get this time. We must get Tina Fey. This time we must get Tina Fey. Okay. Say okay, try to execute this one by yourself. Try to execute this one by yourself. Okay. Here we can specify by using the pipeline symbol. Okay. Now the next example. The next thing, optional matching with question mark. Okay. Here the question mark will give you optional matching. Say it at bat with WO. It is this time it is bat woman. WO may be optional. WO may be optional. Okay. You see here, it may be having one instance or zero instance of WO. Okay. So you can see here, say I'm defining bat regular expression. Okay, I'm passing the expression regular expression. Now I'm using a search method. I'm passing adventures of Batman. Okay, so there is no Batwoman here. Okay, there is no Batwoman. But in the second example, the adventures of Batwoman, we are having the adventures of Batwoman. Okay, we are printing that. So you'll get Batwoman. Okay. So we'll try to execute this. Say, I think I have typed all these things. Say here I have typed. I'll uncomment this. I'll uncomment this. You see here. This is the output we must get. This is the output we must get. Okay. Run third module. Okay. Third module class 2. I must select third module class 2. This I must select. Okay. You see here, we got Batman and Batwoman. You see in this example, I'm using bat WO. It is an optional. Okay. Zero instance or one instance. Zero instance or one instance. Okay. Okay. I think we can stop here. Say, in this class, I was telling you about the pipeline symbol and different matching patterns. Okay. And the group method, search method, and for all. Okay. You must try them. You must try them by yourself. Okay. Now, similarly, please rewind the things of this video and everybody check this freshersworld.com. Okay. It will be having multiple different placement papers. You practice them. Okay. Previous year's papers. You'll be having different previous year papers or technical interview questions. Okay. So please practice them from now itself. Okay. Thank you, every one of you. We can stop here. Everybody see your internal marks? Okay. We can stop here.